In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ad block in the Brave browser. We'll go step by step to ensure you have a smooth browsing experience without interruptions from ads. First, launch the Brave browser on your device. This is the starting point for customizing your browsing experience. Brave is known for its speed and privacy features, making it an excellent choice for ad blocking. Next, open a new tab in the Brave browser. This ensures that you have a clean slate to work with and can easily navigate to the necessary sites. New tabs in Brave load quickly, helping you get to your tasks faster. Now, go to your chosen site. This could be any website where you typically encounter ads. By doing this, you can immediately see the effects of ad blocking once it's enabled. Once you're on the site, click the Brave Shields icon. It's the orange lion head located on the right side of the address bar. This icon is crucial because it gives you direct access to Brave's privacy and security settings. With the Brave Shields panel open, toggle the main switch at the top to on. This action is pivotal because it will reload the page automatically and block most ads. You should notice a cleaner page, free from many distractions. After that, click the three horizontal lines or the menu in the top right corner of Brave and select Settings. Adjusting settings allows you to fine-tune how Brave handles ads and trackers. In the Settings menu, click on Shields in the left-hand sidebar. The Shields section is key for managing how Brave blocks content and protects your privacy. From here, you'll have access to more advanced options. Locate the Trackers and Ads Blocking drop-down menu. This menu gives you control over the level of blocking you want. Choose a setting that matches your preference for privacy and performance. Change the setting from standard to aggressive. This step is important because it blocks tougher background scripts, pop-ups, and video ads. With aggressive blocking, you enhance your browsing security and speed. In the same Shield settings menu, click on Content Filtering. This option allows you to customize which types of content are filtered out. Content filtering is a powerful tool for personalized browsing. Now scroll through the list and check the boxes for additional filter lists. You might find the Easy List cookie list helpful to block cookie banners or regional filters tailored to your country. This customization ensures that your browsing experience is tailored to your specific needs. Finally, the lists will update and apply automatically. This means you don't have to worry about manually applying these changes. Everything is handled seamlessly, allowing you to enjoy a cleaner, more private browsing experience. And there you have it. You now know how to enable ad block in Brave browser. By following these steps, you've optimized your browsing for both privacy and speed. Remember, a well-configured browser not only enhances your online experience but also protects your data. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.